Alright, we just finished the charity raffle. I'm on a pretty good high right now. Maybe I can pop this lock. End tonight on a good note. If I can find my tensioner. Where is my heavy bar? If you guys haven't noticed yet, I'm not an organized man. This is awkward. I own 6 million tensioners and I can't find a heavy bar. There we go. Okay. Okay, one set. Two a set. One still might need some rotation. Okay, one set, two set. And I lost count. Okay, I think I got 4. Drop something somewhere, I'm messing around. Let's go check them all again. Okay, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Something needs some rotation. 5's not binding. Let's go heavy tension and see if we can figure out what's binding. 1 set, 2 set. I think 3 needs rotation. Sometimes it's easier just to let them drop. Okay, 3 needs to push. Let's click our 3. Feels like I got 4. 5 needs some rotation. Okay, got 5. So I seem to keep oversetting wafers on 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to leave them alone until the very end. Okay, 5 is binding. Alright, 5 is no longer binding. Four is binding hard. Four feels set. 3 is binding hard. Okay, 3 is set. I'll leave 2 alone. 6 is binding. Seven might be binding, but it's not the one that needs to go next. 2 needs to move. Be very gentle with 2. Okay, nice little click out of 2. I'm sure I dropped something. Okay, 1 is stiff. Let's go check all the others. 7's binding. Okay, 7 is no longer binding. 6 is good. 5 might need to go up a gate. Let's check. 7 feels good. 6 feels good. 5 is binding. Five is still binding. Okay, 5 is set. Let's check 7, 6, 5, 4. Looks like I dropped pin 3. A little click out of 2. Okay. If anything's binding, it should be binding hard now. 7. Okay, 7. I'm just going to go tap. Give everything a little love tap. Okay. Let's work on pin 1. I think I dropped 3, but I can find out in just a second. Okay, 1 feels set. I'm going to have to get tensioner to check. Nope, 1 still needs to go up a gate. Oh no, I feel my tensioner slipping out. I'm sorry, hook 1 or hook 5. dropped something. Let's go figure out what fell. And very gently. Felt like pin 2. I think 6 needs to go up a gate. Three needs to go up a gate. And feels like 2 and 3 dropped. All right, the lock is open. Let's get her gutted. And for anyone who doesn't know, that lock just put me over 500 Dan points and is my 5th stripe. Okay, let's get this circlip off. I should probably lock the core. Keep the circlip from spinning. I'm not going to get this one fully because it's got a protective foil on it. I'll pull the finger pins and show all that fun stuff though. Okay, there's the core. That I need to grab a pinning tray. She's a little dirty. Alright, we dropped a sidebar spring. Still one in the lock. Tweezers. If you've heard anything about this lock, you've probably seen it gutted before and have a pretty good idea of what's in it. But I will go ahead and show it anyway. So on the right side there are 5 regular Primus finger pins, spring-loaded finger pins, that require lift and rotation. On the left side is a unique thing. Instead of being a regular pin tumbler stack, it's 7 L pins that interface with a sidebar. So this is technically a 12-pin lock. And it's the high-end Schlage. It's called Primus Everest 29 XP something. It's got a crazy long, ridiculous name. Let's see if we can get these out. Still one stuck in there. Okay. All right, 5 pins. And for anyone who hasn't seen this, let's see if we can get the right angle. The 7 L pins on top interface with the sidebar that goes here. The right side of the key has cuts just like all the other Primuses. Pretty cool lock mechanism. If you want to see somebody really pick this thing and make it look easy, Michael Gilchrist, Norland on Discord, he does a really good job of explaining how to pick this. Thanks for watching.